Guys, we're about to do this little prank here at UTEP. We're gonna do the fake sneezing little prank. So we're gonna go into like libraries. Just gonna walk by. I got the mic already on me. We're just gonna like shoot.
Hopefully it's cool. Hopefully none of us get hit. I don't want to be the only one doing this. Hopefully not.
This is like more low key. That's why we're using the phone, guys. It's kind of good. Like I said, I forgot my battery for my camera. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ash back with another video. Wait, I think the mic's on. It is not on. Take two. Now it's on. Take two. All right. What's up, guys? It's your boy Ash. No, just kidding. Now, what's up, guys? It's your boy. Oh, today we're doing the fake sneezing prank on people. But basically, all we're doing is we have the water in the water bottle and just. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, whatever the fuck you guys want to do.
Hey, Fit Fam, help this guy get a fucking girl for once, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright.
Bitches love the ground. Oh wait, shit. Wait, Elijah, we're going over there? Oh, shit.
We got three, but then the audio was cut off on one of them.
Yeah, one of them was cut off.
Dude, the last one got mad.
The last one she got mad?
Yeah.
So, alright, we're done with this building. We're about to go to where?
The UGLC.
We're gonna fuck with those people over there. Hopefully,
Part, you're Steezy Kane
What
part.
if I give someone the coronavirus though?
you probably will. You give them fucking chlamydia too.
Get the chance.
Here, Luxy, you hold the camera. You're the cameraman, man. You hold it at all times. Record every fucking.
I'm gonna head out. I got it, but as soon as they like the camera, I went. Doop.
Guys, Luxy's the worst fucking cameraman ever. You look like straight back.
Yeah, he looked at you back and he was like,
Man.
what the hell?
He saw you before, guys. And he was
Nah, fucking, that would have been a good reaction. But like,
That would've been
he's
great.
step up, and he was like, "They're wait."
Alright, let's go in there, fucking idiots.
Oh, no.
Bro,
It's cool for the video. We've been doing this fucking
What's up, bro?
like
Nick?
some fake sneezing shit on people. Oh yeah. Right now we did it to like these two dudes, and then these fuckers said that they looked bad.
and this guy.
Guys are dicks. My bad, Gabe. I feel bad. Is that good right there?
Yeah, asshole.
You're a dick, bro.
I know. I'm sorry,
Fucking on my
Gabe.
glasses and shit.
I know, Gabe. My bad, my bad.
Studying shit.
Hey, shout out Gabe, man. Shout out
Yeah,
Gabe.
shout out
Okay.
Hey, bro, it's a prank.
Hey, Brody.
Yeah, he's completely.
Could you fucking tell it was this? I didn't. Oh, you actually thought I sneezed on you?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
I was like, how the fuck? I'm wearing
No, I get you, I
I'm
get
wearing
you.
glasses and I'm like,
It's a fucking water.
I'm just like these guys.
No.
You might have gone coronavirus though.
Yeah, yeah.
But no, you actually might get the virus because I was just in San Francisco. There was a bunch of
Are you
Chinese.
fucking
Alright, let's
kidding
see
me?
Laters, bro.
I'm gonna head out.
Where?
Hold on.
I mean, I was gonna really roll you right here, but I was
You were gonna tell me something?
What's up, man?
Yeah. I know, bro. I saw this
But I know
fucker.
you were hanging around with these dudes.
This
so-
fucker was just looking at me. He was like
I
that,
just
bro.
couldn't
And
let it go,
he takes
man.
off his
Couldn't let it
glasses.
go.
He's clean. I'm just looking at me. You know, like, okay, I gotta tell this fucker.
See you later, take
Nah,
care.
for sure.
Hey,
bro. You too.
bro.
I don't know what we're gonna do later, deadass. I really don't know what we're gonna do later.
Let's see, go for it.
Bitch, no.
You know what penny trading is?
Penetrating your mom.
What is that? What is that? Okay, guys.
My nuggets.
Back to filming.
Oh, bro.
Give it to me.
Fuck. Bitch.
Why?
I was holding. Move. God, bro. Watch out your leg, please.
That was a good one. Let me give you the coronavirus, baby.
Fucking Nick.
Should I tell
She's
her?
mad. Yeah. You gotta tell her. Tell her.
It was a
That
prank.
was just a prank.
It was just water.
It's just water, no. It's just water, it's clean.
just water, we swear.
Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. We were just here at UTAB fucking around with people. That I'm being quiet because we're in the fucking library and there's a guy like right behind the camera. I hope you guys liked, you guys laughed. I fucking suck at these outros, dude. I hope you guys liked and laughed at this video. But again, shout out to the boy Lux, the Virgin, Nicholas, fucking Vin Diesel, and Fruit Basket Lights right here. So, do you guys have anything to say? Hello.
I'm the man.
I don't know.
You guys have it? I don't know. You guys be safe.
See me plotting, yeah I see them, they always wildin'. I'm moving silence, shit my mama, she know I got it. I started the wave, I commanded like I'm Poseidon. And I got real ties, whole gang, you know we mobbing. They see me plotting, yeah I see them, they always
Put on the reaction. If they see the camera, then that's when Ashton will be like, yo, it's a prank, it's a prank. Bro, what the hell? This stupid ass shoe. Nah.
He was looking at me. I was like, no way I'm gonna go like that. I fucked down. Shit.
Whoa! This guy does not have good hands. Alright, we're gonna go in there now.
Yeah, I think we're good for right now. We just, yeah, we'll just fucking start wherever the fuck we finish. Whatever.
Oh my god, bro.
Hurry up.
Oh my god.
This dude in there right now. Boys.
Yeah?
I'll do this fucking right now.
You better, motherfucker. This guy's pussied out like 3 times. Didn't work. I don't think you got him.